Hey, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Thinkster.com, and in today's video I want to welcome our new Thinkster freelancer student Steven to the Freelancer Course. Welcome Steven, great to have you on board, and I appreciate you joining the course. I think you made a great life-changing decision. And so in these videos I want to welcome you, give you like the personal note you deserve as a new student, but I also want to give you some tips and practical advice on the way. And one of the things actually, so when I communicate with my students, which I do frequently, I realize that many students actually dream of creating a more scalable, say more passive business system than just doing freelancing. And oftentimes I actually realized, I realized in the last couple of months that productized services is a big trend on both on the largest freelancing platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr, which means that you offer a certain service to the client, but you productize the service. So you don't offer your service on an hourly contract basis, because clients, they just want to purchase a solution, right? So you just offer the solution as a product, right? So they just use the freelancing platform as an API to actually solve their problems, right? So your service offering is the API, and you are doing the work actually. Yeah. So and you actually become interchangeable as a human, which is like which may sound problematic, but it's actually a big opportunity for you as a freelance developer if you embrace this change. This is a big trend. This happens, like the growth of those productized services is massive. And what I realized is that more and more people offering productized services that are made scalable over time. So they have solved the same type of gig, say 100 times. And if you're a programmer, you can actually leverage the insights, the concrete problem-solving capabilities you've learned during the last couple of times you solved this gig for clients. You can use it and you can make it scalable, right? And you need to think about this, and you need to develop your solution offline. So you need to spend some time doing the code, but oftentimes you can do it. And yesterday I discussed a solution where people can automatically, for example, convert a PDF with some invoices or with some bank statements to a CSV file, and you can use Python to do this. And suddenly, so people actually hire productized services, hire freelancers to do this, but freelancers do it manually currently. But you can create a product, an automatic script in Python that does it automatically, right? And so your involvement, your actual work doing the stuff is very minimal. And there are other scalable productized services I've seen, like for example, freelancers offering education in certain niches, like for certain fringe libraries, like say Network X in Python or so. So they offer a tutoring, and over time they always teach the same stuff. So they have recorded the videos actually, and they just sell access to those video courses. And they sell like basic packages, like say $20-$30 for access to this video course. And if you want to do some chatting or a live chat or so with the guy, then you can order the next higher package, like $300, say. And most of the people will then purchase a standard solution, and if they have some questions, they purchase the add-on, like the access to you as an instructor. And I have seen this on the Upwork project catalog and also on Fiverr. So more and more of those gigs are actually not only productized but automated. And this is a big opportunity, and this means that over time, so if you focus on this niche to find some productized services and automate over time, more and more parts of this productized services you can actually scale your freelancing business to say tens of thousands of dollars per month. So this is a big opportunity, and in a way, I think there's also like a productized service scalable business system. And so I have a lot of experience of scaling those things up, and I think freelancing is also a big trend in freelancing is this productized services. And the next step of creating the next level productized service is to actually scale it up. And so there are lots of opportunities. Again, Steven, I appreciate you joining the course. If you have any questions, then don't hesitate to ask. Usually I'm most responsive in the Python Mastermind group, in the Discord Mastermind group, and I will ask you to join the Discord group in one of the course lessons. So just follow the action steps in the course lessons. Okay, great to have you on board, and see you in the course. Bye.